Welcome to Trash Robot. This is a walkthrough of the Trash Robot factory. Fits on a small patio, just a bunch of basic tools. You start with a stack of DVD drives and you take them apart. And then you get these little motion stages that can move things around. Then you get a pile of plastic trash and cardboard trash. And the basic tools of electronics and the basic tools of crafting. Just some glue and tape and markers. And then you cut up all the plastic and cardboard into these shapes, which are described on the website. You get the right dimensions, and then the plastic is cut and duct taped into the tool, and then the whole thing is assembled together into these stages. The whole thing runs on Raspberry Pi, which is off the shelf. You need a battery, and then you plug in the electronics to the Raspberry Pi, which is part of our kit. And then that assembles your whole robot. That's it. That is the Trash Robot. Raspberry Pi, electronics, and some trash. It's programmed using the Geometron programming language in the web browser over the local network. It's all symbols. You program it with symbols. And then we write into clay by moving a nail up and down. So this is a different take on soft robotics. It's soft materials. Everything is a little springy. It doesn't have to be perfectly flat. It's just friction that holds the clay down. And you can just print into clay by moving a nail around. That was at double speed. This is the regular speed that it goes. So it's a very human speed, soft and slow. This is showing how the robot actually moves and how it works, the springiness of the plastic, and that's the finished product.